Hey everybody, it's Mark Yagi, and just a quick video on this DR Horton position that I started a couple weeks ago. Didn't want to leave you hanging if you're wondering what's going on. Basically, the market is red, and so everything seems to be wanting to go down right now. It could change in a minute, or Monday, or 2 months from now. I don't know, but I'm trying to play it to the downside by doing a covered put strategy. So basically, take a look at the Philadelphia Housing Index. And this is an index that kind of talks about consumer sentiment. So when there's not any housing building going on, then that means that there might be a problem with the consumer. And we had a jobs report this morning that could indicate the same thing. But anyway, you could see this Philadelphia Housing Index it went up to 837 and it dropped all the way down to 666. So a 200-point drop, pretty big drop. Bounced to 740, and then now you're seeing it down around 668. So what we're trying to do is we're seeing a downtrend. We've got a death cross here. We got a lot of things that are saying that this downtrend is in play and it may continue. We see a little bit of a bounce. Now let's take a look at the stock. The stock is DHI, which is the leader in the housing index. So you can look at the DR Horton chart here, and it kind of from 200 all the way down to 124 is where it's gone. That's a pretty bad downtrend, and people must know something about the housing index because that's a huge decline. In any case, it's about what, 35, 36%. Not too good. Anyway, so what I've done is a couple of weeks ago, I went out and bought the at the money puts. This is kind of a random new strategy for me. But I've been studying it for a long time, and so I was like, you know what? I think it's going to go lower. Let's try this put strategy. And I bought these $125 puts right at the money, and I paid $840 a contract for those. Okay, so that was an expense. Those go out to June, so I've got another, I don't know what, 3.5 months left in those, something like that. And then right against those, I sold the 124 puts. And so I picked up $130 a contract. Now here's what my goal is if I stay in this trade for the whole time. And I'm not so sure I will, but we'll see. So I paid $840 a contract, and I got back in juice basically $130 a contract, which brings my cost down to about $700 a contract. So a few more weeks of this, I'll have a free put position is the goal, right? I don't know if I can make that happen, but I'm gonna try. So that's the goal. So now I got $130 for this put, and it's worth a nickel right now. It's worth like, $5. Got $130, and now it's worth $5 to buy back, and it's expiring here in less than an hour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna analyze which ones I want to do. Now, if I go out to the March 21st, that's 14 days. I went 14 days the first time, so I think that's what I'm going to do the second time. I'm going to look for the 124s, which is where I was before. And you can see these 124s are paying, I don't know, about $117 in juice. Well, I'll take that. With four contracts, it's like $4,000. So that brings my cost down even further. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go back to my trade, and I'm going to right mouse click. I'm going to create a rolling order. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy back those March 7th, and I'm going to sell out for the 21st, the 124s, right? So I'm going to go out 2 more weeks from today. I'm going to pick up a credit of $112 a contract, which is, close to that 4,000 I was talking about with 40 contracts. I'm going to change this to a market order, and I'm going to confirm and send. All right, now let's go back and make sure that everything worked out well. And so now I'm short these 124 puts against the 125 puts, and those go out 14 days, and I picked up, $117 in juice basically on those. Okay, makes sense? So now I'm happy with that strategy. If you're watching me on the MicroStrategy, you saw that I picked up another contract last week or this week, I can't remember when the stock was down to 242, and now the stock is at 299, so it's $15 in the money. I'm happy with that because that's more of a guarantee that I'm going to make all my juice without having to, really worry about the position. So I got $579 a contract in juice. That's the time premium, not the whole premium, but that's what it was then because it was out of the money. So I got $579 in juice, and now it's $980. So that's going to cost me $4 to buy back. Of course, I have a whole week for this to all go away, and that's where I'm strategizing on this, is to get the income. So my $579 in juice Next week, this extrinsic value is going to be 0 at 3:59 p.m. before it expires. So I'm going to collect all that juice. Now, if it's over my strike price, it's going to cost me some working capital to buy up, okay, which increases the basis in the position. So, but I'm cool with that because I've made my $579 in juice. Imagine making $579 times 9 contracts. That's what, like almost $5,000 a week or every 2 weeks, right? So in 10 weeks, that's $50,000, right? So I'm good with that. So just so you know, I'm not doing anything today on MicroStrategy because the juice is still extremely high, and I don't want to spend that money in juice to buy back just because it's in the money. Then I get caught in what's called a whipsaw. So just kind of explaining to you what I'm doing. I'm mostly in cash in almost all my positions. I sold out a big position in Tesla. I still have a little bit left that I actually started a new position, but it's nothing to worry about. It's just to stay in the game. The rest of it, you just see it on the screen, and that's in this account. I got other accounts, but most of it's in cash. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Happy trading. Have a great weekend. There's a red market going on right now, so be careful. But there's a green market always around the corner, so get ready. And I'll talk to you soon. Have a good weekend. Bye. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.